Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in this online platform of English core class. Today's topic that I'll discuss is a drafting poster. How to draft a poster. It is a short composition. Word limit is within 50. Okay, so let's start the class. I'll take an example and I'll discuss. Before moving to that example, that question that comes in your mind: what is a poster? What is the purpose of drafting posters? Main features, contents, expression, layout. Very important. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So what is a poster? First thing that you should know. First question. Posters are placards displayed in a public place announcing or advertising something. Posters are notices, advertisements and invitations all in one. Okay. Now you would ask me, sir, what is the purpose of drafting posters? So the purpose of designing a poster is either to create social awareness about issues related to current problems, definitely, and needs, or to advertise or event, to extend public invitations and display notices. So the purposes are multi. First, creating social awareness among people. On the other hand, to highlight current problems and needs, or you can say to advertise or event, to extend public invitations and display notices. Correct? So the next, what are the main features of a posters? That I say: layout, content and expression. Layout, content and expression. Let's see the layout part. First, layout. Visually attractive to the eye catching, you can say attractive or eye catching. Title suggestive, it must be suggestive one, catchy. We should use slogans, jingles or short verses, you can say, or sketch of simple diagrams or drawings. All these fall in the category of layout. How you start your poster? So start with generally what? Slogan. Title must be suggestive, to the point. Use of slogan, that I say jingle or short verse, important. And sketching of simple diagrams, drawings when it's asked for, demanded, whenever it is required. Content part, let's see the content part. Content part, the theme or subject of the poster, important. Content, theme of the subject of the poster. Description or details that is associated with the theme. Okay. Essential details like the date, time, venue for an event poster. Posters are different types also. Some posters are asked for the event. Okay. Some posters all about what? That societal, not event. Sometimes that morality, what you have learned from the poster, that question is being asked. All these are important. And name of issuing authority, organization, etc. It's also important. Expression part, that you know, phrases, slogans, persuasive language. Creativity in terms of content and design over all organization and sequencing of the matter. And the observe word limit, usually 50. So don't exceed that word limit. That also comes in the category of expression part. Okay. So you should Have in mind all these points: your layout, your content, your expression. Total 3 marks, 1 for content, 1 for expression, and over layout, that format, that is called 1, 3 marks. Okay, so now I will show you how to draft a poster. Let me take a question. Okay, let me take a question. Okay, so suppose a question given here: draft a poster for promoting good health through Health Mela. For promoting good health through Health Mela. As a sports secretary, okay, so that issuing authority that I say, or name of the organizer is given sports secretary. Okay, and Red Cross Society Chandigarh, that name is also given. Draft a poster for promoting good health through Health Mela. Suppose that's organizer name is given. You are the organizer, one name is given, suppose, for example, and comma Red Cross Society Chandigarh. So organizer and name of the organizer, issuing authority, that we have got, so that will include. Okay, let's start how to draft. So this is all about what you can say, it's all about cultural also. Participation is there, health issue definitely, but it is all about organizing. So this one something to be different. So I would show you, I would take different types and I would discuss. So here let me show an example which is definitely a health issue, but to be drafted in a mode of event. Okay, because that organizer and all whatever given. So let's start. First, the name of the organizer, Red Cross, that I'll write. Society Chandigarh. Again I repeat, this is a poster, is about a event, okay, is about promoting Health Mela, but all about organizing that event. So that case is that type of eventful posters, we can write the name of the organizer. That means that Red Cross Society, whatever given Chandigarh, that name will write. Okay, and the very last will write the designator who is organizing, the person who is organizing, responsible for that Health Mela. So that will start. Then cordially invites you can write. Okay, to participate in Health Mela. Got? Again I repeat, as it is eventful one, so that we'll write. So this is my topic, health mela. So I'll write the date and on, suppose I am taking Saturday, clear, at that place. Suppose I am taking here government college, you may get in the question paper, you may get, you will not get, you will write by yourself, you will create. Sector 14. Okay, next, leaving one line gap, special attention. Now in a box you can write better. Your content part is coming now. Okay. You can write yoga. You can use bullet yoga. These are the value points, your content part. Okay. You can write panel discussion. Next, live demonstrations. And doctor's suggestion. Suggestions. All these are my value points, content part. Okay. Next, you continue. After that, the box. Get 10 special prizes for sound health. Okay, or you can write and physical fitness. Right left side contact that I said, sports secretary. GCC support I am taking, GCC. Okay, this total my complementary close. get special prizes for sound health and physical fitness. And this is my contact, sports secretary. Because of that I said that event 1, okay, for event cases, that organizer name, issuing authority, that all would come. See, then total poster would be in box. Okay, a box will draw in pencil with scale. This is my content part. Okay, all value points this way. So use of slogan, that you will ask, you may ask, sir, use of slogan is not required here. I would say don't use, okay, here. And the drawing and the diagrams is not required here. That I said that event 1, that you have to mention the date, you have to mention the date, you have to mention the location, and you have to mention that what, that the person issuing authority, that name would come. That will do. So in other classes I would show you other types of posters using slogans, diagrams, okay. So just note down. How to draft a poster, and total marks, that I said 3 marks. One plus one plus one, format 1, content 1, and expression 1. It's all about a poster on good health mela, but it is all about event, organization. That's why the way you should draft, that I have discussed now in this class. Okay. So that I said that different posters have its different start. Okay, how to draw diagram and use slogans, that is also a different part. Okay, so in another class I would discuss that one also, and I would show an example. I'll take an example where that diagrams, okay, diagrams and drawings, whatever, and using slogans. First, at the time of introduction, that slogans to be used, and at the time of what, you can say, conclusion, that time also will use a slogan. Okay. Let's see here, one poster is there about coronavirus. Okay, this is also a poster, coronavirus, COVID-19. So here that I have used that slogan part, join hands to fight corona, but don't shake hands. These are my helping points. Remain confined in your home. Coronavirus spreads from human to human. Follow social distancing. Put your arm before your mouth while coughing. Okay, and here that stop that is written. This is my diagram that what that I am against. Okay, I'll take a measure to stop it, and my concluding slogan: wash your hands for 20 seconds with soap, use mask, and this is the issuing authority given here, Indian Council of Medical Research. So this is a different type where you should use slogan part at the time of introduction, okay, and at the time of conclusion. Okay, so in other classes I'll discuss, I'll take other examples, and I'll show you how to draft that poster. So let me conclude that class for today. I think you have understood. Any problem then you will share with me. Okay, thanks students for being with me.